Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade. Today I am uploading a video to hashtag 2crafters1design, who is Melissa, she's Mo Creations, Lisa, who's You See I'm a Diva, Gloria, who's Girlier's Cards, and I'm also joining hashtag Satmore Makes, who's Jill, she's Jillian Norwood Designs, Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. So 2crafters1design, they give you a theme each week, and they ask you to create something using that theme and then share your creations on Saturday morning. Satmore Makes, Jill, she wants you to just craft all week and upload your beautiful designs on Saturday morning for everyone to see. So this week I'm joining the theme for 2crafters1design, which is sewing. So I kind of maybe going outside the box a little bit on this, and let me show you what I used. So I used this embroidery floss from DMC. This is some really pretty colors, and I just purchased this off of Amazon. I also used this 3D embossing folder from Spellbinders called Argyle Plaid, and not a big giant fan of this, and I'll show you why on my design here. And then the star of the show was the Spellbinders cutting die. It's Stitch Floral Flip Frame, and it has 9 cutting dies. So the dies consist of one large die with several florals, and then they have other dies that you put on top that allow you to stitch on them. So that's why I'm getting my sewing, because I felt like I was sewing when I was doing this. So let me share one of the cards with you. So here's my card. It's not quite finished because I kind of got stumped with my sentiment here. I used the embossing folder as I showed you, but I think it left some lines down the embossing folder. Maybe my paper is a little too thick and it kind of maybe cracked the paper a little bit. But then I did enjoy stitching all of these little florals, so it's kind of like sewing. Like I said, I'm kind of stretching it here, but I think it turned out pretty. I was going to use these as Mother's Day cards, but I just couldn't get around the sentiment part, and I just kind of went another direction with some cards, and I did share that in a previous video. But it was really enjoyable to do these while watching TV. And so, you know, I just watched TV with my husband. Instead of being in my craft room crafting, I could, you know, just take the different little pieces and just craft while I was watching TV with him. And it was very relaxing. But I just got stumped with the sentiment and then didn't really like the embossing folder that I use. So let me know what you think. I mean, it's salvageable. I could put a sentiment here, but I just haven't done it yet. We'll see. So let me know what you think below. Did I kind of barely met the requirements this week? Hopefully I did. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. And I want to thank you all for viewing this video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.